My dear students, good evening to everybody. Now I am going to take stoichiometry, which is most important. That is basic medium and basic medium and acidic medium using ion electronic method. To balance the equation in acidic medium, one is basic medium by ion electron method. This question carries 4 marks. First is chemistry guarantee question. Can you understand? MnO4 minus plus I minus gives rise to MnO2 plus I2. This is the reaction which was figured in the engineering public examinations. Okay. A somewhat basic medium. What is that? Question is balance the equation using ion electron method in basic medium. Question is ion electron method in basic medium. So okay. You pay 4 minutes attention, you will bag 4 marks. Okay. You see the equation MnO4 minus plus iodide and MnO2 plus I2. So after taking this equation into consideration, you have to calculate the oxidation number of the respective elements. You see MnO4, I want manganese oxidation number. That is, you can take directly Mn, or you can say this is X plus 4 into oxygen minus 2 is equal to, we have to balance this, equal this 1 to minus 1. You know very well, in all occasions, in all oxides, oxygen shows oxygen minus 2. Peroxides minus 1, superoxides minus of, fluorine oxides F2O plus 2, F2O2 plus 1. You kindly keep it in mind. This question was figured 2 marks. What is that? In fluorine oxides, 2 marks question. In fluorine oxides, what is the oxidation state of oxygen? In F2O, F2O2? 2 marks question, public question, previous paper question. What is the oxidation state of oxygen in F2O and F2O2? Here F2O plus 2, F2O2 plus 1. You know very well, fluorine is a super halogen, it always shows minus 1. Fluorine minus 1, so 2 fluorines are there, so minus 2, so automatically go plus 2. 2 minus 2 plus, so O is nothing but plus 1. So F2O, F2O2, what is the oxidation state of oxygen? You please note it. In F2O plus 2, in F2O2 plus 1. 2 marks question, you note it. You can this oxygen minus 2, peroxides minus of, superoxides minus of, potassium superoxide, cesium, rubidium, CS of RbO2, KO2. We already discussed in the previous videos. Fluorine oxide. Okay. You see, X in normal oxides we are going to use -2. 4 into -2 -1. X minus 8. 4 into -2 is equal to -1. X is equal to -8. 7. -8. If you go that side, +8 +8 -1 7. So 7. I minus -1. Okay. MnO2 X 2 into O already discussed -2. Oxygen always shows -2. Peroxides -1. Superoxides -half. Fluorine oxides F2O +2, F2O2 +1. Okay. Minus is equal to 0. Here there is no charge present on this molecule. Here there is a charge for which we have to equal -1. Here there is no charge, so for which we have to equal 0. X 2 into -2 -4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. So 4. Okay. I2 0. It is a molecule without having any mixing. Okay, I2 0. Now, what happened in this equation? Is there any change in oxidation number of the respective element? You simply note it 7, 4. So there is a decrease in oxidation number. Okay. 7 comes down to 4. 7 decreased to 4. Here 7, here 4. So you know very well, if oxidation number decreases, that nothing but reduction. That is nothing but reduction. You have many definitions are there. Oxidation reduction. Oxidation number increases. Here -1, -0, -1 to 0. Oxidation number increases. 1 unit increases. That is nothing but oxidation. So let me repeat once again. Here manganese 7 to 4 decrease. If oxidation number decreases, that reaction is called reduction. If oxidation number increases, that is nothing but oxidation. So okay, -1 to 0 increase oxidation, 7 to 4 decrease reduction. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I have to divide two off reactions. To off-cell reactions. One is oxidation reaction. Now I am going to oxidation reduction of it. Okay. What is that? Oxidation I minus gives I2. Okay. Here MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. Okay. I have mentioned oxidation of cell reaction, reduction of cell reaction. Oxykarna अर्धघटम, क्षेकरण अर्धघटम. Okay. I minus I2. So MnO4 minus MnO2. First of all, what we have to do? This identification of oxidation number carries 1 mark. Division of oxidation reduction carries half mark. Please note it. I minus I2. Then what you have to do? You have to balance all the elements except oxygen and hydrogen. Except oxygen, hydrogen. You balance all the elements. That is here I minus I2. So I am going to balance 2I minus gives I2. Okay. Here I2, 2 iodines are there. Here only 1 iodine. I have mentioned 2. Okay, no problem. Here there is no oxygen. Here there is no hydrogen. So no problem. Here manganese. Okay, no problem. No problem. MnO4 minus MnO2. Next, you pay somewhat attention here. Up to this, everybody will do this problem in basic medium. What I am telling you, somewhat students will face somewhat difficult to solve this equation. For which I am stressing this equation once again. Okay. Now what I am telling you, I minus 2I minus gives I2, MnO4, Mn. Here Mn, okay. Now I am going to take oxygen. Here there is no oxygen, no problem. Here there is oxygen, okay. Here 4 oxygens are there, here 2 oxygens are there, okay. Right hand side 2 oxygens, left side So now what I am going to do, please listen to me. Here 2 oxygens are more when compared to this one. So I am going to add OH minus. I am going to add OH minus. How many oxygens are there? 2. Here 4. How many deficit? Only 2 oxygen. For which I am going to balance this equation. I am adding right hand side 2 OH minus. 2 OH minus. So kindly keep it in mind. If oxygens are less, we have to add OH minus. If hydrogens are less, we have to add H2O. We'll see. We have to add H2O. Hydrogens in basic medium, if oxygens are deficit at one side, we have to add OH minus. If hydrogens are deficit, if hydrogens are less in one side, we have to compensate that one. We have to add H2O. You see, here there is no problem. So we have to balance oxygen. Here 4 oxygens are there. Here only 2 oxygens are there. To balance the oxygen in basic medium, we have to add OH minus. So I have added 2 OH minus because 4 oxygens are there. Here only 2 oxygen. 2 oxygens are needed. To compensate that one in basic medium, where oxygens are lying less, where oxygens are needed, for which we have to add 2 OH minus. Okay. Here there is no problem. No H, no O. Okay. Again, you please observe what I am doing. Here 2 H's are there. Here there is no H. Left hand side there is no H. There is no H in left hand side. There are 2 H's in right hand side. To balance hydrogen, we are going to add how many H's are there? 2 H's are there. So we are going to add 2 H2O molecules in left hand side. Here there is 2 H's are there in right hand side. Here there is no hydrogens. For which where hydrogens are less, where the hydrogens are less, for which I have added, we have to add Hu2O, where hydrogens are less, whether left hand or right hand. In left hand side, there is no hydrogens. In right hand side, there are two hydrogens are there, for which where hydrogens are less, I have added 2 Hu2O. I have added 2 Hu2O. I have added 2 Hu2O. At the same time, again, we have to add two OH minus also. For which here how many H's are there? 2 into 2, 4. Here 2. For which we have to add 2 OH minus. Understand? Let me repeat once again. Hydrogens are needed, oxygens are needed. If oxygens are less, we have added OH minus. 2 oxygens are less, we have added 2 OH minus. Okay. Next, where hydrogens are less, we have to add water molecules. Here 2 H's are there, here there are no H's, for which I have added 2 H2. Okay. At the same time, what we have to do? We have to add opposite side 2 OH minus. Number of how many water molecules you have added? 2. The same number of OH minus are being added to right hand side. If you add left hand side, you have to add OH minus on right hand side. If you add right hand side, you have to add left hand side. So, water molecules. How many molecules you have added? 2 water molecules. If you add left hand side, then to make it compensate, to balance the equation, you have to add 2 OH minus. For which this equation becomes what happened? 2 OH, OH. I am going to write this one. 4 OH minus. You see, 2 into 2, 4. 4. 4, 6. 2, 6. Complete. So now, charges are being balanced. Charges. Here 2 I's, 2 charges. 2 I next. Charges are balanced. Charges are to be balanced. So, 2I minus gives rise to I2 plus 2 electrons. Here 2 minus. So, I have added 2 electrons on right hand side. Here minus 1. Here 4 minus. So, charges to be balanced. So, here minus, here 4 minus. So, I have to complete this equation to balance the charges. MnO4 minus plus 3 electrons plus 2 He2O gives rise to MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. You see, 4 negative charges, here only 1 negative charges. So for which, to balance the charges, I have added 3 electrons here. So total 4, that also 4. Okay, everything is over. Just you complete it. This is 1, this is 2. But you have to balance the number of electrons in both the equations. For which I have to multiply with 3. 3 into 2, 6i, 3 into 2, 6i minus gives 3i2 plus 6 electron. 3 into 2i, 6i minus gives rise to 3i2, 3 into 2, 6 electron. Okay. Here, you multiply this equation with 2. 2MnO4 minus 6 electrons 4H2O gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus 2MnO4 minus 2 into 3 6 electrons 2 into 2 4H2O 2MnO2 plus 2 into 4 8OH minus. I have multiplied this equation with 3. I have multiplied this equation with 2. Okay. You simply add this equation, total equation. Now I am going to write. I am going to complete this equation. This is 2MnO4 minus plus 6I minus plus 4H2O gives 6 electrons, right hand side, left hand side cancel, gives rise to 3I2 plus 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus 2Mn 6I 6 hydrogen 4 into 2 8 oxygen 2 into 4 8 plus 4 12 oxygen 8 2 into 2 4 plus 8 12 oxygen. So this is complete equation. Here no question of confusion. You take, I have direct given this equation, but you take 1 and 1. To avoid confusion, you simply write this one. 6I minus gives 3I2 plus 6 electrons. This is one equation. 2MnO4 minus plus 6 electrons plus 4H2O gives 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. This is another equation. I have simply added 2MnO4 minus plus 6I minus 6 electrons cancel out plus 4H2O, that one 3I2 plus 2MnO2 plus 8OH. So this is most important 4 marks question, basic medium. Use this. Watch it, you note it, you kindly keep it in mind. Where oxygens are less, you must add OH minus. Where oxygens are less, you must add OH minus. Where hydrogens are less, you must add H2O, and opposite you have to add OH minus. Wish you all the best. God bless. Thank you.